Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Boy and Chris.
Ano to? Na-excite ako. Ano to?
Sandali, Chris, bakit si Valerie nandun? Dapat dito, Alex, di ba? Ayaw niya. Sinabi niyo sa kanya.
Pinupush na namin. Sabi niya,
Ito ka na, ano ba? Arte ah. Ang arte nito. Ali na kayo.
Bla-bla show. Okay. Eko, anong ihahanda natin ngayong umaga?
Ito ay ang sweet and sour meatballs. Yan. Medyo may Malaysian twist.
I can sense talaga the tension here.
Wait lang ah.
Last, no,
Can
last.
we just say, it's the birthday of Carmen.
Yeah. Actually tomorrow. But
Happy birthday, Carmen.
Happy birthday, Carmen.
Ano? Tapos na taping nyo? O babalik pa siya dito?
Tapos na. Actually, nasa Boracay sila ng buong team namin.
Wow! Hi, Carmen. Happy
Sunod ka
birthday.
doon?
Hindi, may shooting ako eh.
Sayang. Okay,
You
let's go.
like her. You like her.
I like.
Does she like you?
I think.
Talaga? Sinabi niya sa'yo?
Aba, siyempre, mararamdaman mo yun.
Ako mas exciting itong kwentuhan na ito kaysa sa meatballs ha. Ano?
Siyempre, Chris, mararamdaman mo naman yun.
No, she told you. Paano mo sinabi sa kanya na gusto mo siya?
Sabi ko lang, I like you.
Talaga?
At sabi niya, I like you too.
It's so grade 4.
Sabi niya, I like you too. Halika na, let's work.
Talaga? Hindi, ganun lang siya.
Ganun lang, mabel.
Parang from all the times we've talked to her, boy, may dating na conservative.
She's very smart.
Oo. Wholesome, tapos conservative, tapos
Uy, sandali.
Mabati sa...
Alam mo, Eko, off-cam, which was here the last time, we were talking about Malaysian politics.
Oo, ganun yung trip niya.
Galing, from Madawi
Ang
to
galing.
Hakim to
I love her.
Ibrahim.
Yes.
She was talking about Malaysian
Yes, kachika. Okay, sandali, isa pa. Affected daw si Sam Milby sa'yo, totoo?
Alam mo, hindi ko alam, pero nag-uusap kami ni Sam Melvin.
Kailan kayo nag-usap?
Nag-uusap kayo dahil doon sa mga usap-usapan na affected
Kasi
siya.
nabasa ko yung paper.
Ah, okay.
Sabi niya, text ako, Sam, bro, I don't know if you read the papers, diba? Pero please,
Nag-reply sa'yo, hindi?
oo, sabi niya, huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ko iniisip yun.
Ganon? Huwag kang mag-alala, alam niya yun?
Pero alam niya, pero sabi ko lang kasi,
Baka may nag-text nun para sa kanya, hindi siya talaga.
Ikaw naman.
No, ito Anne, I love you, my dear. Forgive me for making this kwento. Okay, kasi recently, before I left for Hong Kong, may text si Anna, hi everybody, I've changed my number. If you're close to me, you know who you're not supposed to give this number to.
Ah, okay.
So,
sa akin.
hindi. Okay, sandali.
Well, at least I didn't get that text and
Remember when she was here?
crush niya.
I'm sorry, may pagka-winch ako, may pagka-mangkukulam ako minsan talaga, promise.
So what did you notice?
No, when they were here, she kept crying. I said, Anne, don't
Ah, yeah, I
worry.
know, I remember.
Don't worry, you're gonna shoot an echo. And then the next thing you know, it's gonna be you and him. Sinabi ko yon, ayan na. Nagkakatotoo na. Pinapormahan mo ba?
Hindi.
Ah, okay. Kasi mag-meatballs na muna tayo. Okay, okay.
Pero yan, nag-shoot na kami ngayon ng baler, so abang
Oh,
yan.
sige, habang nagdi-meatballs tayo, pero wala pa naman nagpaparamdam. Hindi ka magpaparamdam.
No,
You don't
if
like
they're
it.
both Christians, it can work, ah.
Okay, sige kasi.
Yan na.
I agree with you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Babalik po tayo sa meatballs. Ganito yan. Luluto po tayo ng meatballs.
Pasensya ka na para magising ako, nakakapat na cups of coffee ako. Kaya,
Pwede yun.
ito na lumalabas sa bibig ko.
Eko, you can do this on the set of Baler.
Okay,
Diba? Go.
Mismo. Okay, meatballs. Pwede kayo mamili either beef or pork, pero mas maganda pork para hindi masyado ma-cholesterol.
Alright.
Tama ba yun? Anyway, tama yan. Meatballs, carrots.
Pork? Hindi ba cholesterol?
Mataas.
Sobrang taas nun eh.
Actually, a beef pala. Pero si Carmen kasi hindi kumakain ng beef sa pork pala. Birthday niya na.
Ah, right.
Anyway.
Ano ka? Si Carmen doesn't eat pork.
She doesn't eat beef. I don't eat beef.
Okay.
She's Chinese Malaysian. She's not Muslim Malaysian,
Alright, okay.
boy. So she can eat all the pork she likes. Okay?
Alright, go ahead.
Go.
Pork, carrots, pepper, garlic,
Galing
sibuyas.
yan. Oo.
Paghalo-haluin niyo ng kuya, isa ninyo, then lagyan niyo ng flour sa itlog para magbuo, para makabuo po kayo na.
Yan ang resulta niyan.
Meat.
Ayun. Okay. Pagkatapos,
Pagkatapos, ilalagay niyo siya dito. Kumuha
Sige.
kayo, mag-prepare muna kayo ng sauce.
how do we do it?
Tomato sauce, sweet and chili sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and then ang kalalabasan niya po bali ito.
Ayun. Ulitin nga natin yung sauce. So, una,
Sauce.
tomato, and then,
Oyster sauce,
and then,
sweet and chili, and sugar. Halo-haloin niyo po yan.
Sige nga, pamigay kung paano magkakaluhan. At ang resulta niya ay...
Yan ang resulta niya. So pwede yung pag-halo-haloin. Kalahati lang po ng kalahating kutsarita ng asukal, kalahating oyster sauce. Magkahalo-haloin ko na ito dahil
Tomato sauce and
tomato
then...
sauce and then sweet and chili.
Okay. Halo-halo lang yan.
Halo-haloin mo yan. Pag halo mo na yan, pwede nyo na
May isa doon.
Mamaya pa yun.
This one is ano
That?
sesame seeds and this is parsley. Yeah, parsley. Yeah, so pwede nyo siyang i-present na ng ganito.
Ayan. Plating ang tawag dyan. Tingnan nga natin kung mahusay si Echo dyan sa ginatawag na plating. Samantalang si Valerie ay siksik ng siksik kay Lara. Habang lumalayo kay Richard, may oras kayo mamaya dyan si Chris. Maraming itatanong. Okay. And then, what do you do?
Ako tagatanong.
Galing-galing mo sa ganun eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Without them knowing it, they're telling their
I
stories
have a
now.
question. I'm sorry. Forgive me for asking this,
Okay.
Richard, but I promised a friend who has a crush on you to ask you, why are you though forever in long sleeves? Is it a trademark look?
I want to help you, Richard, but I have no way of answering that. Go ahead. Okay.
Parang napansin daw, kasi daw before, when you weren't even Richard Pulva, when you had gigs pa, that was your signature look already. So bakit daw?
Siguro with the standards, I had to wear coat, long sleeve tie. So minsan, nag-vary lang. Siguro because of yung positioning lang ng genre ko, standards.
Yun yun.
Correct.
Hindi kasi sabi na, baka kasi wala siyang masyadong braso, kaya tinatago. I'm so sorry. Ha?
Maraming taba rito.
Hindi, kasi yun lang ha, daw, na baka daw kasi hindi buff yung arms, kaya tinatago.
Sa lahat ng yung mga tagahanga, Richard, kaya mo ba mag-topless?
Hindi po.
But you realize,
Yes.
ang dami mong fans talaga.
Madami.
As in talaga, ang daming in love sa iyo ngayon, naloloka ka. Sabi ko talaga, why? Sabi ko, I just kasi he looks so mabait and he has such a soothing voice.
That's right.
And yun nga daw, and then they said, and he knows how to cook.
So on behalf of Valerie and Jasmine,
No, and more.
And more.
Much more, promise. And the rich. Yun naman sinabi. I'm so sorry.
Balikan muna natin ang
Talaga
meatballs.
yung mga sinabi ng mga tao.
Ang ganda
Ano?
na, oh. Ganda. Echo presented to sa ating mga manonood. Ganda. Ang tawag dyan, Echo ay?
Sweet and sour meatballs,
Alam mo, ang galing
Malaysian style.
magaling ka mag-plating
No, ang galing.
Fairness.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Echo.
Sarap to.
Okay.
Wait, sandali. When we asked, you like Carmen, he said, yeah, I like. Si Anne, you like Anne?
I like them.
Oh!
Magpapalik po ang boy!